Hey, I'm Faye, and if you're a small business owner, whether you've been at it for a while or you're just getting started, you've probably realized that branding isn't as simple as throwing a logo on a t-shirt and calling it a day. Maybe you've tried using Canva templates for your social media, but things don't look quite right. Or maybe someone told you to just grab a WordPress template and now you're stuck trying to fix it, and it's turning into the biggest headache of your life. If any of that sounds familiar, you're not alone. A lot of business owners feel the exact same way. And that's exactly why I offer free mini brand audits. Just fill out the form at constantcreates.com/free-audit, and I'll take a look at what you have, whether that's just your website, your social media, your logo, or any other major brand assets you want me to review. And then I'll put together a personalized PDF report with my top 3 recommendations on how to improve your brand so it looks more polished, professional, and actually helps you attract the right clients. You can take that info and DIY your own updates if you want. Or if you'd rather have some professional support, I can help you to bring those recommendations to life. No pressure though, no obligation, just real honest feedback from me to help your business stand out. Because let's be real, not everyone loves the technical side of branding. Some people open Illustrator, they see all those tools, and they think, yeah, no, that's too complicated. And that's valid. If that's you, don't worry, I've got you. It's literally what I do. I've been designing for fun pretty much my whole life, and now I help business owners like you create brands that they're actually proud of. But if you're someone who can take this info and run with it, please do. That's why I'm offering it to you for free, because every business owner deserves a brand that represents them well. So, if you're ready to get real personalized tips on how to improve your brand, fill out the form at constantcreates.com/free-audit. And once I review your brand, I'll send you your free audit within a few business days. No more second guessing, no more pushing your brand off for later. Let's just make sure your brand is working for you, not against you. I can't wait to check out your brand and help you take it to the next level.